My life is getting better every single day. Today, I welcome this new day with my whole heart. This day isn't ordinary. This day is the first chapter of the life I'm about to create. And I know, without a doubt, that today has the potential to become one of the best days of my life. I believe that today, something new will happen, something I've never experienced before. Today, I'll see something new, learn something new, ask new questions, and step into a version of myself that didn't exist yesterday. My work, my goals, my mindset, everything is growing. Whatever mistakes I made in the past, whatever pain, disappointment, or downfall I experienced, I release all of it. I forgive myself fully, and I forgive everyone involved. My focus is not stuck in yesterday. My focus is on what I'm building next. Everything I need to do today, I've thought through clearly. I'm prepared, and I'm ready. My mind is peaceful. My focus is locked in. My thoughts are positive, intentional, powerful. I believe that everything happening in my life is happening for my growth, for my evolution, for my good. The challenges in my life are not obstacles. They're opportunities. Opportunities to rise, to discover myself, to shape myself from the inside out, and to become stronger than I've ever been before. Whatever challenges show up today, I'm ready for them. I love my life deeply. My body feels healthy and strong. My mind is capable of making the right decisions in any situation. My inner world feels calm, grounded, and confident. My heart is full. My spirit is light. I stay happy, steady, and positive. Life feels like a game, and I'm here to play it with commitment and courage. Winning or losing doesn't control me. My only goal is to become so capable, so powerful, so complete, that every good thing the world has to offer naturally finds its way to me. Everything I have today, and everyone standing with me. I'm truly grateful for all of it. I lack nothing. I trust my abilities completely. All the energy of the universe is on my side. Strength flows through me. Potential lives inside me. Nothing and no one can stop my progress. Nothing can slow down my future. For me, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. If I can imagine it, I can create it. If I can dream it, I can achieve it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.